Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to talk about something very important for anyone who wants to build a career in data science, data analytics, or modern IT roles that involve working with real-world data. In today's technology-driven environment, organizations depend heavily on data to make decisions, pick trends, and improve business performance. Because of this, professionals who understand tools like Python, SQL, and Tableau are becoming highly valuable across industries such as finance, healthcare, marketing, operations, and even research. If you are someone who wants to enter the field of data science, or if you are already working in IT and want to upgrade your skills with industry standard tools, learning these technologies together in a structured way can make a big difference in your career journey. One very practical learning path available today is the Python, SQL, Tableau for Data Science Professional Certificate, offered on the Coursera platform. This is not just a single short course. It is a complete professional certificate program made as a structured series of 5 courses, designed to help learners build a strong foundation in modern data science tools, step by step. One of the biggest advantages of this program is that it is beginner-friendly. So even learners from non-IT backgrounds with basic spreadsheet familiarity can start learning comfortably. Inside the certificate program, you learn how to work with ECL to extract useful insights from the database, how to use Python for automating data workflows and performing analysis, and how to create interactive dashboards and visual reports using Tableau and Excel. These are exactly the tools used in real industry environments today. The course also introduces practical exposure to AWS machine learning tools, which helps learners understand how modern cloud-based analytics workflows are built. This makes the learning experience more aligned with current industry expectations rather than only theoretical knowledge. Another strong feature of this program is its project-based learning approach. Instead of only watching lectures, learners work on real-world style assignments, such as SQL analysis projects, Python-based data workflows, Tableau dashboards, and even a capstone project that combines multiple tools together. These kinds of projects help build a portfolio that can support career growth in analytics-related roles. The program is flexible and completely online, so learners can study at their own pace. It typically takes around 5 months to complete if you study about 10 hours per week, which makes it manageable even for working professionals. Overall, this professional certificate is a structured way to move beyond spreadsheets and start developing practical data science skills using tools that are widely recognized across craft industries. If you are planning to start your journey in data science or strengthen your analytics skills with Python, SQL, Tableau, and cloud-based machine learning exposure, this certificate program from the Coursera platform can be a very useful learning path to explore. You can find the link in the description to access this course directly from the Coursera website. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.